Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Sithelo Shozi, who is the ex-girlfriend of Mamkhize's son Andile Mpisane, has been rumored to be homeless after it was reported that Mamkhize allegedly kicked her out of the apartment that Mamkhize, has been paying for Sithelo. Sithelo, who is the mother to Mamkhize's grandchildren, was on her Instagram live to address these rumors. Check out this video, you guys, and please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much. Bye.
Somebody taking care of this homeless hun. Somebody's taking care of the homeless hun. Oh. Wait, I think I have like better lighting in my bedroom. I want to see it.
Okay, maybe we'll not.
Oh. Also, that was I didn't want to. Yes, I am. I'm homeless. Yo, oh my. Like honestly, oh yes, I'm hoping it's going so badly. My life is in shambles. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my, it's Dina. So Dina. I think it's him. I want you guys to meet my dog, my puppy.
Okay,
Whoa!
can you start again with this? I'm gonna send this to you. So like this is injustice here.
Oh my god.
Yeah, please.
Lalel, a homeless hun.
Yeah,
A homeless hun, darling. Wait, oh! It's me, the J.O. Blackie, honey. I'm going to wrong. Inja, I found the moon, please. Guys, ngakhuluma sinesandla ngaphambili. Wangishiya namathoshini last week. The last time amathoshayela. Hayibo oh. Engishisile. Guys, here's Nkanyisa, of course. Prepping for some magic. Honey, I am kahle wena. I wanna just I'm gonna snare savannah, guys. I'm gonna snare savannah fast. I'm tightening on. No negativity on the live. No snare, woman. Yeah, anyway, Dante, tonight, ladies' night. I'm here for it. Yay! So, Dante, tonight, it's gonna be so much fun. Oh, Bobo! Ay, kulmela, kulum. Ay, kafen.
Ay, kulmela, usufana nomba.
Oh, this is beautiful, snare.
Okay, I'm just reading right.
Okay, and my makeup before I take pictures with my last born. My last born, guys. His name is Bo, and I got showing. He's just the sweetest ever. So calm, so calm. Like his aura is amazing. Gentle.